Welcome, my good people. So today, let me first apologize. Actually, before I tell you anything about today, I really apologize that I took a break on recording my trips. I had even taken a break on doing those trips, mostly because of financial problems. But at the moment, I feel a bit of financial liberation, and so I'm going to be doing number of trips as they are, and very exciting content plans for you. But today we are going to the assembly plant of Haojue, and that is the manufacturer of this bike that I use. I use a Haojue NK1, and today we are going to be seeing the assembling plant. We are going to be taking a look at how they do their services. There's a showroom. I'm going to be showing you a lot more about these particular bikes. And one other thing to note is that these bikes have come very many here in Uganda. Not this particular model that I'm riding, but this very one which is in front of us. That one, the Haojue. I think that one is the 125. It's mostly a commercial bike. Many riders who are doing commercial riding are having it. Yeah, they transport customers and a bit of light luggage using those bikes. They're very strong, very fast, with a very good acceleration. So that's why these riders here like them so much. An example, if a person has to ride from Kampala to Mukono, this is the kind of bike they need. I thought that was the turn, it was the wrong one. Continue ahead, this is the right turn. I confused the other riders behind me with my indicators. But here we are. Yeah, that guy was also confused about where to go. But then he was also not focusing on the road. As much as I'm speaking to the camera, I'm trying to watch out what I'm recording. I think I have better concentration on the road than he does. Now, this is that goes to farming. And at the moment we are in a Namanve Industrial area. There are a number of so this is Haojue. We have arrived. Let me park here.
acceleration accelerates way much faster. But now if you're on like a straight line, now this one will pick up on it. So that's where the difference is. Here at Haojue doing our services like I told you, both the general one and the usual one that I'm supposed to be doing every after a certain mileage. Yeah, so we are doing a lot more than just the normal service that we usually do. Yeah, enjoy the video.
I've made sure to tell the guy that he should check each and everything on the bike, because I'm going to be taking a long trip, and I think this is when I reveal that I have plans of traveling up to Gulu, but I'm not yet sure where I'll be passing exactly. I have plans of passing through Makshon Falls National Park. At the moment it is open for riders to go through because Karoma is under repair and they will be doing that repair for a long time, so there is still a window for us as bikers to go through Makshon Falls National Park.
kati akakagundu ke kakaluba simanyi oba kikaletera okaluba naye muno kalina engeri okalaba kati wano okalaba kalina engeri gye kakola ki it squeezes against something there, so it's a bit hard.
So this is the main branch of Haojue here in Uganda, and it is located in Namanve. It is right behind Toyota. So where is Toyota? It is actually next to Suzuki. Remember, Haojue is associated to Suzuki. Actually, Suzuki is more like the mother brand, and Haojue is under Suzuki. So the Suzuki offices in the area that is Namanve, next to where Haojue is. Since I'm going for a very long trip, I've decided to buy new brake pads, and we are going to be installing these ones as well. But the ones that fit exactly on my bike are not there. So what we've done is to get those from a smaller bike and then have them installed. Then I have also been able to get a box for my bike. So at least I'm going to be having a box where I can keep some of my sensitive equipment that I move with, and maybe my clothes and a few things. Then I will have my side bags for any other items that might not be that sensitive. So this box has a bit of cushion in front here. I don't know if that's the front, but where the passenger can rest their head. And then it has come with a rack, and that's the rack where you can screw in those kind of like their metal wedges, and then they attach onto the frame of the bike.
So on Saturdays, Haojue closes earlier, and it's already 30 minutes by the time of closing. They've been waiting for us to finish, but yeah, it looks like it has not been possible. So we are going to enter this way behind, and we finish the work from this side. Yeah, this is the box, and we are continuing. Good afternoon, Afande. We've come to just finish this, then we can go. Yeah. So the service center is closed, that's why we're working from here down all up, but the problem we will once in the space. If I don't get the can once, I could get a while. He could get one more thing.
Yogo musumali ejja kulabika kubanga tujja teekayo nati tukwate n'ekifaana tusiibe. Tegusobola gana teeba kuno. Guba guteebi. Musumali tulaba.
Kati obuzibu kali ak'okubiri ke kajja otuweerera akazibu ak'okuteeba. Ak'okubiri lumba gyombi girina oteeba. So kati nabo enti ndabe.